So hello guys, for today I will pretty much be showing you guys how to get a glitch working. So this is how you get imposter every single time. No restrictions. You can do it as many times as you want. But if you want to do it, you got to do it now, because once I put this on YouTube, I'm pretty sure the developers of Among Us will catch on and try to patch this glitch. But while it is working right now, so use it while you still can. And yeah, let me show you how you do it. Alright, so first of all, you need to be a host. You need to be a host. In order for this to work, you need to be a host, or else it's not going to work. So what you got to do is you got to go to customize. Now, you need to be the color orange, and you need to have this hat as well. Okay, if you do not have a pet, it is fine. It doesn't matter if you have pets or not. I will also be teaching you guys how to get all these pets for free and all these skins for free. I didn't pay for one single bit. Look at this. See? Look, I don't have to buy nothing. Everything's already here, man. Alright, so what I gotta do, you gotta click on colors 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 5th one has to end on orange. It doesn't matter which other ones you click, the last one has to end on orange, and it has to be 5. So for the hats, you have to end on the pumpkin. It has to be orange on orange. That is part of the glitch. So we're gonna go as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you have orange on orange, and once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and go here. If you do not have a pet, it is fine. Instead of using pets, you can do 10 hats and then on orange instead of 5. So for pets, I will go ahead and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't matter which pet you end with, but yeah. So once you do that, the skin doesn't matter. You don't need to mess around with that. But once you do that, you should be all good to go and ready to do the next part of the glitch. So this next part of the glitch is pretty easy as well. You just need to, it just involves a lot of clicking like mad. You need to click and press WASD at the same time. If you are in mobile, iPhone, Android, it doesn't matter. This will still work for you. But you're gonna have to go like this. You're gonna have to like move your cursor around like this. Not your cursor. You have to move your thumb button around like this, like crazy, like really fast circles. All right. But for the people who are on Windows or Mac, or whatever you use, and also I'll be teaching you how to get Among Us for free on Windows and how to get it on Mac as well. So all you gotta do is you're gonna go ahead and press WASD at the same time. Just keep on clicking those, and you're gonna spam F. And for mobile players, what you're gonna need to do, you just tap your screen. Just tap your screen a lot. Just keep on tapping it. Just keep on tapping. Don't stop. So once you start tapping, tap, just keep on tapping. Just keep on tapping, bro. Just keep on tapping. It should work now. Okay, that should be enough. And it should work now. Moment of truth. Look at that. Look at that, my friends. The sabotage. Oh, they left. The sabotage button is right there in the lobby. We're in the lobby right now. How is this possible? I don't know. It's a glitch that we found out. Sabotage. So this pretty much guarantees that you will be an imposter every single time. As long as you do it right, you follow the steps and everything, you will get imposter every single time. Look at this. People. I need people to join so I can show you guys that it actually works. Cause I know most of you guys in the comments will be like, "Oh no, it's Photoshop." No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not Photoshop. It's real. It's right here. Oh look, we got people joining. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys that this is not fake and this actually works. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse this. Alright, so we got enough people here. We're gonna go ahead and start it. And look at the sabotage button still there. We're gonna look at that imposter, my friends, imposter. And you know what's crazy though? It was only supposed to be one imposter, but there's two now. Here, look, I'll show you a clip. Yeah, you see? It was supposed to be one imposter, but there's two now. Alright, look at this. It's me and ProKid. I'm gonna go kill some people so you guys can see that I'm that I'm not lying, that I'm telling the truth. So I want this to hurry up. Oh, God. Alright, so nobody got ejected. I'm gonna kill somebody. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and kill somebody real quick so you guys can see that I was not lying and that this this is not Photoshop or anything, because I know y'all gonna think that, but it's not. So I'm gonna go see. Look, I can sabotage. I just sabotaged oxygen. It worked. And once 10 seconds passed, I'm gonna go kill somebody real quick. I'm gonna kill white. There we go. Jump in the vent. Get out. See, I can jump in vents too. That means I'm an imposter. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I will also put a whole bunch of other tutorials on my YouTube channel about how to download this game for free on Windows, how to download it in Mac, how to get all the pets, all the skins for free. I'll also be doing other games as well, and please comment if this works for you. If it doesn't, keep in mind that this is a glitch and you have to do it as soon as possible, because the developers of Among Us might patch this glitch and we'll have to find another one, but for the meantime this should be working just fine.